Secant theta minus tangent theta is equal to 2 over 5. Each of the following must be the value of secant theta plus tangent theta. A 5 over 2, B 2 over 5, C 3 4, D 7 over 3, and squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. Ano pa? Tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant theta. Tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. Ito pang isa. 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta. 1 plus cotangent squared theta is equal to 1. Na-memorize nyo yung super hexagon sa trigonometry, mali ang derivation of trigonometric identities. If secant theta is minus tangent theta is equal to 2 over 5, then find secant theta plus tangent theta. Pag transpose natin ang tangent to the left side or tangent squared theta to the left side of the equation, we will have secant squared theta minus tangent squared theta is equal to 1. Now, this is in the form of difference of two squares. So this can be written as secant theta plus tangent theta times secant theta minus tangent theta. Igay sa atin ang value ng nito, which is 2 over 5. 2 over 5, secant theta plus tangent theta. Now, we need to eliminate the denominator, so we will multiply sides of the equation by the reciprocal of 2 over 5, that's 5 over 2. We will have secant theta plus tangent theta is equal to 5 over 2.